bazala bamzitho, welcome to Mkosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umkosi wethu namhlanje bazala bamzitho, it's about video engiyenza izolo yakasijava. Guys, yesterday I made a video yakasijava about the rumors that they were making rounds on social media platform that usijava udlengule uAmanda Blacks. Yesterday I did say ukuthi those rumors we don't know ukuthi aveze ubani and who was the first person who posted this thing, because now akasatholakala, but they were yesterday nje, the past few weeks they was gijima fast, because if you search Java based on this thing, yesterday Amanda Black posted on Instagram yakhe ukuthi akazi where does these rumors comes from, but they don't come from her, and these are rumors, guys. Java did not sexually assault her. Hi everyone, I don't know where does these rumors comes from, but just Java did not assault me, and we are sure these rumors, they do not come from her, guys. A lot of people, they were happy on the comment section. I for one, I was happy because at least Amanda Black ubonile isidingo sokuthi clear these rumors, because these rumors, they are very dangerous rumors, because Java is not the first time, guys, I'm accused about this thing. A lot of people now, they are starting to say, I'm sorry, Lady Zama. We know Muskutu Lady Zama once came out and said Usijava wamdlengula, even though now angathanda ukukhuluma ngayo, but she's still saying Usijava wamdlengula. Usijava released an order where abuza Lady Zama, why are you doing this, Lady Zama, on that voice, on that, it was not a voice note, it was a call recording. Lady Zama what maphendula what, you know, I just wanted to get your attention. So we don't know what happened there, but I for one, I wanna like, I believe Usijava, because if Lady Zama had solid proof ngaphathe lokuthini ngabe Lady Zama ngabe bakanezinye izinto bakangaziveza ngabe uzivezile, it was just her word against Usijava's word, and Usijava uke waveza at least evidence ukuthi no, I did call this lady said she wanted my attention. And guys, those allegations or whatever that, or that thing Lady Zama wayisho iye emotion carry Usijava, because abafazi abaningi, guys, believe in Lady Zama, guys, and now at some point believe up until Usijava are releasing that call recording bebanayo between yena no Lady Zama. So guys, a lot of people now, I saw on the comment section, they are saying sorry to Usijava, and Usijava akasho next akaphenduli even a single thing ukuthi zimenza zifile kanjani this thing. And yesterday I did say the video am ukuthi if these allegations as source or these rumors, because these were really rumors, if these rumors are dealing as of fast to destroy career Usijava, we know most Usijava unengoma entsha ethandwa wonke umuntu, like everyone ethanda on TikTok yiyo everywhere yiyo. So vele bonyeke ibe good on the career Usijava. I don't know how Usijava feels, but at this point I think Usijava mele aswe the person, athola the person owaqala wayenza these allegations or these rumors. I'm sure, because yabona into le ukuthi umuntu uzavela athi makabhrekile avela post ku social media athi ubani wenzeni. It's wrong, guys. Let's just be honest, it's wrong. And angeke sihlale singabelieve ama rumors or so, ama allegations or so, judging from a country to know that a lot of people, they are suffering from GPV, abafazi abaningi bayadlengula bangatholi justice. So we have to believe these women. Sometimes abantu bayasplay their part, we have to believe them up until ke sithole iqiniso langempela. That is all for now. Kodwa bazala bamzitho, please comment down below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Ngithanda ukuya nokubuya.